Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Okay, so today, welcome to my channel. I'm Sarah. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe down below to be a part of my family. We do very cool and interesting things on this channel. Yeah, and I have a bunch of video ideas planned, so they're coming. Watch it. Yeah, I upload every Sunday at 3, so stay there, grab some snacks because it's always a fun time. Today for this video we're doing something that was like trending like a year ago probably, so oops, late for the trend, but you know, who cares. I have been obsessed with painting lately, so I painted, one second, let me show you. I painted that. I painted that right there. It feels like someone's knocking. What is that? I've been obsessed with painting, and then like people ask me to like face paint for their kids at like these events, so I started doing that, and I kind of got good at painting or whatever. So for this video, as you saw from the title, I'm doing a Bob Ross, or like watching a Bob Ross painting and doing it, or how's that thing phrased? I don't know, you get that. Basically, I'm gonna be following a Bob Ross tutorial and trying to recreate it. Is that how you say it? Probably. Anyways, we have our bucket of paint. We have a lot of paint here, and we have some new brushes and a canvas. It's a little cute one. I don't have like that little stand, so I don't know how I'm gonna film it, but we'll figure it out, don't worry. Here's my canvas. So here's the before, all empty and clean and white, and let's see how it comes. I was looking at some like Bob Ross like paintings to like go over it. I'm gonna do this one I saw. Let me pull it up real quick. I got my video. I will show you how it looks. You probably saw it from the thumbnail, but let's try and do this. Let's see if I'm talented, basically. Like, do I have any talent? We'll figure it out in a few minutes. Anyways, let me try to set up the camera where I can paint so you guys can see what I'm doing. But yeah, I put a candle behind this, so we're very artistic. We got all the props. How artistic of me. Why is it out of focus? Is there a ghost? Hello. Anyways, here's my video. Setting it right here. Let's start this. I'm kind of scared. I hope I do well. Some parts I might not talk because I'm so concentrated, but let's...
Glad you could join me today.
Again.
Today we're going to do a wonderful little painting, and I really think you're going to enjoy this one. So I tell you what, let's don't waste any time. Let's have them run all the colors across the screen that you need to paint along with me. Me, I've got my old 18 by 24 inch canvas up here. It's all covered with a nice day even color, the liquid white. It's wet, slick, it's ready to go. So let's just do what I thought today. Let's do maybe a little traditional painting with some mountains and pretty sky. Bluish glow in the sky. Now the Indian yellow is quite transparent. There. I'm in a bright, happy mood today. It's a good day to be alive. So let's do a painting that...
Does that look like that? I think so.
Let's put a little in there. What the heck?
Oh, shoot.
Okay, without even cleaning the brush, I'm going to go right into...
Okay, wait, what?
If we're going to have water, we just put a little in there. What the heck? Okay.
I have to... Do you see this? Great. Red. He said we take the red and we just like do some swish swash. I don't know if this is actually doing anything.
Just wherever.
Oh no.
So let 'em
Oh! It looks better in person, trust me. This better turn out good. Oh my freaking god.
There we are. Okay, little phthalo blue.
No, not the
And I still have
blue.
the same
We're not
old
even
dirty
done with the
brush.
red. Okay.
Let's go right on back up in here.
Is this too dark?
Downward, so it'll mix with the liquid white and automatically it'll get lighter and lighter in value. It'll get lighter and lighter in value. There. See, the blue is so much stronger than that crimson. Boy, it'll eat it up if you're not careful. Maybe a little bit right in here. Now, when you do your painting, if you don't want all these colors in the sky, just a phthalo blue and a touch,
My battery's about to die.
touch of phthalo green
Oh,
outside
shit.
in.
Here we have right now.
Outside.
This is kind of weird. Reminds me of my 2015 self. Anyways, this is what we got right now. He started doing the river, or not the river, the lake. So let's do that.
Outside in. Outside in. A little bit on the other side. There we go.
Okay, here's my river. Lake. There we go.
And now we can wash our brush. We put all this color on there. And this is the first time we've washed our brush.
Oh.
Use odorless thinner.
Oops.
Shake off. Try not to bring that blue color back into that yellow or you'll have a bright green sky. Unless that's what you want.
That's what I want. Okay, we're gonna fix this. Whatever. I'll deal with the purple.
Firmly push that right into the fabric. Just really push. Like so. Use a lot of pressure. Maybe go off a bit.
Be right back. I'm gonna fix this mountain. Okay, so here's our mountains. Let's just continue.
All the excess paint. Take a 2-inch brush and we grab that. Once again, the canvas is wet. We can move color. We can absolutely move color. Now, if you're on a dry canvas and you try to pull this paint, you're going to be in agony city. That's one of the reasons that I stress so much that we use a pre-stretched double prime canvas. If you use a canvas board or canvas paper, it will absorb your liquid white. In my world, I think the light's going to be coming from the right.
That's gonna happen in my world too, so... Okay, I'm gonna do the snow off camera because it's kind of messing me up. Yeah, I'm gonna deal with it, whatever. It's fine. Now he said to get some
blue,
clear
little
air.
white. Push this one back. Watch right here. Come right down through here and distinctly come through that. See?
I think that's fine. I think that's good. Okay.
And it pushes that little thing right on back into the background. That easy.
Okay, that looks so good on this camera. Okay, back to the better quality, you know? Duh. So, I just did the snow and then the shadow, and I'm done with it. I'm not freaking messing with that anymore. Okay, tree time. We got a fan brush, such a small fan brush we have, and we're gonna take black.
A lot of little distant trees, and all you're doing is tapping down over the fan brush. Just tap it down there. Now, see, I want to get progressively smaller. When this is done, that will help lead the eye around the corner. Around the corner, down the street.
Okay, I'm gonna take a food break, but this is what we have right now. I think it looks really good actually. But I'm just gonna fix some parts up. Okay, so I'm trying to like do the reflection thing now. What the heck? Wait, what?
Tiniest little bit of phthalo blue on whatever you want. Fantastic. And very lightly come across. very firmly here.
Does this look good? Okay, now we're making a big tree right here. Let's do that. Here's my fan brush.
Just go back and forth. Those little son of a guns just live right in that brush. You gotta push them out sometime. There.
Blue. Okay. Okay. I like this. Oh my god. I zoomed in the camera so you guys can see a little better. Okay, I'm gonna just finish or like fix some stuff because like I'll make this blue because I kind of messed up on that, so we'll be right back and do that. Okay, so I'm doing this like the big evergreen tree. Kind of need to fix the river because he looks like he's finished with it, so I need to fix mine. But I'm just finishing off this evergreen. I don't know if he did this, but I just thought about it because, you know, I'm an artist or whatever. I really like how the sky looks like right here. Like, I wish it was just a little bit more blended, but you know, I'm missing Peter.
Okay, I'll grab another fan brush. I have several of them going here so I don't have to spend all my time trying to dip it into a little bit of the liquid white.
I think the green
and
kind of
then
ruined it.
Color.
Okay, here's how it looks. I'm not gonna do a bush, but I need to fix the river, and then honestly, I think we're done with it. Yeah, let's fix this up and see how the final result is. Here is the final piece. In the video, he does like bushes and all that kind of stuff, but I was kind of going for more of like a winter look, so at the end I didn't listen to him, but here's how it looks. I think it looks so good. Like, I did not expect it to look like this at all. This is my first time doing a Bob Ross painting, so you know, that's kind of cool and fresh. Like, wow, the mountains with the snow kind of didn't work out, but I think I made it work. And I really like how the sky looks, and everything looks so good. And the snow, I got like snow on the trees and the land, so it looks more realistic. But yeah, here's my final Bob Ross painting. I hope you guys liked this, and if you create a Bob Ross painting or like recreate one, then be sure to like tweet me and send me a picture of your drawing, because that'd be so freaking cool. I love painting. Basically, it's really cool, and yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're new here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.
That's facts. Big blue bills in the bank, let's chat. I just hit a mail like a baseball bat.